Well, it's been a beautiful start to our weekend. Just going to be a little bit cool. I'm excited for this little preview of fall, though. I like those temperatures in the 60s. I know many of you do as well. That's exactly what we're going to see today. No rainfall to start off our morning, just a couple of low-level clouds out there in the atmosphere. Things should be staying on that clearer side, especially for southern Wisconsin throughout the day. You can see a little bit more sun for La Crosse and Madison, a little bit more cloud cover for the northern half. You can see a couple dots of green popping up here as we get into the evening. There is a chance for a couple brief sprinkles closer to Eau Claire and Wausau, as well as the northern portion of the La Crosse viewing area. That being said, really not going to see anything that's too impactful to your weekend, even in northern Wisconsin where there is that slight little rain chance. Clouds continue to clear out overnight. We're looking at a mostly clear Saturday night as we head into our Sunday. If you're heading out today, here's what those temperatures are looking like. Right around 9 o'clock, we can expect temperatures in the low 60s for Wausau and Eau Claire, high 60s for Madison and La Crosse as we've got a little bit more sunshine helping warm us up. Pushing forward just a few hours early afternoon. Now we're in those upper 60s for Eau Claire and Wausau. La Crosse and Madison in the low 70s. A little bit more cloud cover throughout the day, but overall still going to see lots of sunshine. We are still going to be on that cooler side though, thanks to some winds coming in from the northwest. These are going to be a little bit strong at times. You can see early afternoon some of those wind speeds getting up to around 15 miles per hour. So if you are golfing like that last forecast, you're going to want to adjust your aim just a little bit with those stronger winds coming in. Those are going to calm down as we get through it this evening and into the early hours of tomorrow, but they will pick up again for your Sunday. Speaking of Sunday, a little bit more of a rain chance for those of us in the Wausau area. You can see as we get to mid-morning tomorrow, some more dots of green. Again, just looking at a few sprinkles, but if you're right along that northern edge of the state, right by the UP, you could be seeing some more scattered rainfall. Once again, not really too much that's going to have a big impact on the end of your weekend, but just something to keep in mind. If you see a couple raindrops, it's likely to be pretty brief. Here's your Sunday dinner hour. Things still looking nice and clear for the southern half of the state. Just a couple of those quick raindrops possible. 68 is our high today in Wausau. We're going to move down to 63 for our Sunday. Up to 70 in Eau Claire today, going down to those upper 60s for our Sunday highs, and then keeping things in those low 70s for the week to come. Up to 72 in La Crosse today, also going to stick in those upper to mid 70s for these next few days, warming back up to the upper 70s for the end of next week. In Madison today, we're up to a high of 73 degrees, down to 52 overnight. Tomorrow, we really start that cool off with those high temperatures landing in the upper 60s for your Sunday, Monday, and your Tuesday. The nice thing is in Madison, we do have lots of sunshine to come right along with those cooler temperatures, but again, winds going to make things seem a little extra chilly. Overnight lows dropping all the way down to the 40s for those first few days of next week. So if you're going to be out late or up early, you're definitely going to want to throw on an extra layer or two. Then temperatures climb closer to average for the end of next week.